Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to install YouTube app. Method 1. Go to Apps tab, select Apps tab from top, go down, select this search field. Using this search field we can search for apps and games. Select it. Then here let me enter YouTube. Then search. See here you can see YouTube for Android TV. Select it, select install. See, this is a method 1. Let me cancel. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to top, from top right corner, select all settings. Go to apps, go down, select see all apps. Then go down, select show system apps. From this system apps we need to select Google Play Store. Let me go down and find Google Play Store app. See, select it, select open. This is a Google Play Store app. Here on top you can see search. Select it. Then here let me type YouTube. See, then select install. Please wait. This is a method 2. So these are two methods to install YouTube app. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.